Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to solve all Windows Media Player issues in Windows 7, 8 and Windows 10. First method is type Control Panel in search bar. Control Panel. Click small icons. Programs and features. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Uncheck Media feature. Click OK. Click Restart now. Type Control Panel in search bar. Control Panel. Program and features. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Check Media features. Click OK. Second method is type Control Panel in search bar. Click Troubleshooting. Click View All option. Click Windows Media Player Library. Click Next to Troubleshooting. Third method is click Services in search bar. Double-click Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service. Change the service type to disabled. Click Apply. OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.